Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best under-eye treatment is probably one of the most sought-after beauty solutions for those seeking an immediate fix for tired-looking eyes. This video dives deep into the world of instant under-eye bag treatments, exploring various products and techniques that promise to visibly reduce puffiness and dark circles, offering a quick and effective way to regain a refreshed and youthful appearance without the commitment of long-term solutions, perfect for special occasions or when you need a quick confidence boost. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Are you tired of looking tired? This cream helps reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving the under-eye area looking refreshed and hydrated. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and niacinamide to soothe skin. The unique MVE technology provides long-lasting hydration. This fast-absorbing formula is non-greasy and can be worn alone or under makeup. Simply apply a pea-sized amount around your eyes, both morning and night. It contains ceramides 1, 3, and 6-2, which are essential for restoring and maintaining your skin's natural barrier. These ceramides help keep your skin healthy and balanced. It's been tested for use around the eye area and is accepted by the National Eczema Association. This product is suitable for even the most sensitive skin. What we like? It's a hydrating, lightweight cream, also tested by dermatologists. If you have sensitive skin and want a long-lasting hydration, you should consider this. Its fast-absorbing formula is perfect for daily use and won't interfere with your makeup routine. What people say. The cream is lightweight and smooth, not greasy at all. It absorbs quickly into the skin, so I don't have to wait long before applying makeup or going to bed. It really helps with puffiness and dark circles. My under-eye area looks more refreshed, and the bags under my eyes have definitely reduced. It also feels really hydrating. I feel like this targets the root of the issue while the other product will sit on top of the skin and create a shimmer that gives the illusion of brightness under the eyes. The cream is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly into the skin. I love that it contains hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which help to hydrate and restore the delicate skin around my eyes. After just a short time, I've noticed a significant reduction in the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. My under-eye area feels smoother and more refreshed every morning. Number 4. Grace and Stella Under Eye Mask. Do you want to feel confident and look your best? These under-eye patches will help you look refreshed, awake, and youthful. Add them to your daily self-care routine for a noticeable improvement. Reduce puffiness and swelling with these cooling hydrating masks. Enjoy some me time while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You'll achieve hydrated and tightened skin. Unlike other eye patches, these are clean, vegan, and free of parabens and sulfates. They're gentle on sensitive skin and formulated with niacinamide to brighten dull under eyes. They're simple to use and provide instant results. These eye patches make a wonderful gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. They're also great for stocking stuffers, party favors, or bridesmaid gifts. We offer a 30-day feel-good policy, so you can buy with confidence. These under-eye masks are loved by celebrities and beauty enthusiasts alike. They're the perfect self-care treat for anyone who enjoys vegan and clean beauty products. What we like? These cooling patches provide instant results and are suitable for all skin types. If you are looking for a quick fix for puffiness and dark circles, and prefer vegan products, then this is a great option. Enjoy a relaxing self-care moment while achieving visible improvements. What people say. The cooling gel feels so soothing, especially in the mornings when my eyes are a bit puffy or I haven't had enough sleep. After about 15 to 20 minutes, my under-eye area feels refreshed, and the dark circles look noticeably lighter. These claim they are a drink for my eyes. I do find that they do help with puffiness. They are slippery at first but dry enough to your face to stay in place, so easy to apply. They do not break apart and are durable. My skin feels soft and less puffy after use. These Grace and Stella under-eye patches are juicy and thick, and I am here for it. They're the perfect mix of luxurious and effective. My under eyes were snatched. Number 3. Baebody Eye Gel. Do you want to look younger around your eyes? This anti-aging eye cream brightens dark circles and reduces puffiness, giving you a more youthful appearance. This moisturizing and cooling eye cream is perfect for both men and women. It contains powerful ingredients to diminish the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. This gentle and hydrating eye gel has been allergen sensitization tested, making it safe for all skin types. It's perfect for use morning and night. It comes with a hygienic pump dispenser, ensuring less waste and easy application every time. You'll love the convenience. It's made in the USA with a whole-body approach to beauty and wellness. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free. What we like? This cooling eye cream is formulated with anti-aging ingredients and is suitable for all skin types. If you're looking for an anti-aging solution that also reduces puffiness, and you value dermatologist-tested products, then this is for you. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. What people say. Upon immediate application, the gel soothes my puffy eyes as effectively and gently as cucumber slices but without all the mess. It minimizes the dark circles under my eyes and its results get better over time. I noticed my under-eye puffiness was almost immediately improved with this product, even within the first 24 hours or so of use. It's very soothing and cooling. If anything, it's helped to delay the development of more fine lines, and smooth the ones that exist. Number 2. Garnier Clearly Brighter Eye Roller. This innovative eye cream comes in a convenient rollerball applicator for easy application. Its cooling gel formula is infused with caffeine, mint, and vitamin C to brighten and reduce puffiness. The rollerball applicator gently massages the delicate skin around your eyes, reducing puffiness and promoting a more radiant appearance. You'll see brighter, smoother skin in just one use. This powerful ingredient helps to brighten dark circles and even out your skin tone. It's a must-have for anyone looking to improve the appearance of their under-eye area. For best results, use this eye roller with the full Clearly Brighter skincare line. This includes a gentle cleanser, daily moisturizer with SPF, and a dark spot treatment for a complete brightening experience. Garnier Skin Active is committed to creating gentle, effective formulas for all skin types. We offer a wide range of products to meet your skincare needs. We're dedicated to creating a positive impact on the environment. This product is cruelty-free and we're constantly working towards more sustainable practices. What we like? This eye cream roller offers a cooling sensation and brightening effect thanks to its vitamin C formula. If you prefer a convenient application method and want a quick brightening solution, this is the perfect choice. The cooling effect is also great for reducing puffiness. What people say. The roller is easy to roll around the eyes. It's cool and helps with puffiness and just feels good. The serum that comes out of the roller ball is very nice on the skin and rolls on easy. I really like the product and how it affects the skin under my eye, seems to tighten it and no redness or irritation on my skin. The Garnier Anti-Puff Eye Roller has a rollerball applicator, and the product contains caffeine. I keep mine in the refrigerator. I find it very cooling and refreshing. I use the rollerball tip to gently massage under my eyes and I give the product time to absorb. It's not a magical, miracle cure, but for me it does deflate the puffiness swelling and helps reduce the appearance of dark skin under my eyes. Number 1. Brickell Men's Restoring Eye Cream. This advanced eye cream is specially formulated to address men's unique skincare needs. It's designed to help you look and feel your best. See a visible reduction in wrinkles, under-eye bags, and puffiness. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly. This cream helps to diminish the appearance of dark circles, leaving you with a more refreshed look. The caffeine helps reduce puffiness. It's made with natural and certified organic ingredients like aloe, peptides, and green tea. It's 97.5% natural and 70% organic. Whether you're 25 or 65, this cream is suitable for all skin types. Experience brighter, more energized eyes. Brickell Men's Skincare is trusted by over 1 million men worldwide and has been featured in top men's magazines. We stand behind our products with a satisfaction guarantee. What we like? This natural and organic eye cream is unscented and suitable for sensitive skin. If you prefer natural ingredients and want a gentle yet effective solution for under-eye concerns, this is a great option. It's perfect for men who want a simple and effective skincare routine. What people say. With a week of use, it seems to be making a difference in the darkness under his eyes already. Excited to see how this improves his skin with more prolonged use. Pros: lightweight, unscented, not greasy, moisturizing. The cream is lightweight, unscented, and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. In just this short time, I've noticed reduced puffiness and some improvement in the dark circles under my eyes. He's noticed a real difference in reducing puffiness and dark circles, which were starting to bother him. The formula seems powerful yet gentle, with natural and organic ingredients which gives us peace of mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.